Turn any space into a comfortable sleeping spot without the hassle of bulky beds. The best folding mattresses make it easy for you to relax anywhere, whether it's for guests, travel, camping, or small apartments. These space-saving designs offer the perfect balance of comfort, portability, and convenience. With supportive foam layers, breathable covers, and quick fold and store features, you get a reliable sleep setup in seconds. In this video, we'll break down the top 5 best folding mattresses that combine comfort, durability, and smart design for everyday use. Remember to check the updated links in the description to find the best deals on all the models we cover. The 5th product on our list is the MLILY Tri-Fold Memory Folding Mattress. This MLILY Tri-Fold Memory Folding Mattress topper is one of the best budget-friendly and compact sleeping solutions for occasional use. Whether you want comfort, portability, and convenience in one simple design, or need an easy-to-carry mattress for guests, travel, or quick setups anywhere, this could be the perfect fit for your lifestyle. You will get a smart tri-fold design that allows you to quickly unfold it into a comfortable sleeping surface or fold it into a compact cushion for storage. Its slim and space-saving size makes it ideal for small rooms, apartments, or even outdoor use like picnics and travel. Despite its compact build, this mattress delivers impressive comfort. It features a premium layered structure with gel-infused memory foam that adapts to your body shape and helps distribute pressure evenly. This gives you a cooler and more relaxing sleep experience. The supportive base foam underneath keeps your body lifted from the floor, ensuring stability and reducing discomfort during rest. The materials are designed with both comfort and safety in mind. The foam is CertiPure US certified, which means you get a product that meets high standards for durability and is free from harmful chemicals, so you can use it with confidence. The mattress is made of 3 foldable sections, making it easy for you to carry, move, and store. It unfolds in seconds when you need it and fits neatly into small storage spaces when not in use. If you want a simple, portable, and budget-friendly folding mattress topper that works for guests, travel, or everyday use, this MLILY Tri-Fold mattress is a smart and practical choice. The 4th product on our list is the Lazyzizi 6-inch folding mattress. If you want a comfortable, lightweight, and highly versatile sleeping solution for multi-purpose use, this Lazyzizi 6-inch folding mattress is one of the best portable options you can choose. It's designed to make your life easier, whether you need a guest bed, a camping mattress, or a compact solution for small spaces. With a smart tri-fold design that easily transforms from a flat bed into a lounge chair, giving you more flexibility than a regular mattress. Its slim single size makes it perfect for tight spaces like dorm rooms, apartments, or RVs, while still providing enough comfort for a good night's sleep. Comfort is where this mattress truly stands out. It features a layered design with 1.5 inches of memory foam that gently adapts to your body, helping relieve pressure and reduce fatigue. The thick support foam keeps your body properly elevated from the floor, ensuring stable, medium-firm support throughout the night. The breathable bamboo fiber cover adds another level of comfort. It feels soft on your skin while promoting airflow to keep you cool and fresh. Moreover, the cover is removable and washable, so you can easily maintain a clean and hygienic sleeping surface without any hassle. With its lightweight build and convenient carrying handle, you can easily move it with one hand or take it with you for camping and road trips. The non-slip, moisture-resistant bottom keeps it stable on different surfaces, so you can relax without worrying about movement. If you want a durable, comfortable, and easy-to-carry folding mattress that adapts to your lifestyle, this Lazyzizi Tri-Fold mattress can be your reliable pick. The 3rd product on our list is the Inofia 6-inch Twin Folding Mattress. This Inofia 6-inch Twin Folding Mattress is one of the best travel-friendly folding mattresses for daily use. It will be your ideal option if you need a reliable mattress for guests, travel, or compact living spaces without compromising on sleep quality. You will get a full twin-size sleeping surface that feels comfortable and supportive, yet it easily folds down into a compact shape for storage. Whether you're setting it up for overnight guests, using it in a small apartment, or taking it along for camping or RV trips, this mattress fits seamlessly into your lifestyle. The combination of gel memory foam and supportive base foam adapts to your body, helping relieve pressure while preventing sagging. This means you can enjoy a stable, balanced sleep without waking up uncomfortable. The medium firmness level makes it suitable for different sleeping positions, giving you consistent support throughout the night. The cover is designed for both comfort and practicality. You get an ultra-soft jacquard surface that feels gentle on your skin, along with breathable mesh sides that improve airflow and keep the mattress fresh. It's also removable and easy to clean, so maintaining hygiene is simple and hassle-free. Portability and convenience make this mattress even better. The tri-fold design allows you to set it up in seconds and fold it away just as quickly. The non-slip bottom keeps it stable on different surfaces, so you don't have to worry about it shifting while you sleep. If you want a comfortable, durable, and easy-to-store folding mattress that works anywhere you need it, this Inofia Twin Tri-Fold Mattress is an ideal and practical choice. The second product on our list is the Housiney 6-inch Tri-Fold Mattress. This Housiney 6-inch Tri-Fold Mattress is the best premium portable mattress you can choose to enhance your comfort and long-term use. It's perfect for you if you want a reliable sleeping solution that works just as well for guests, travel, or everyday lounging. You get a spacious queen-size design that instantly transforms any space into a cozy sleeping area. Whether you're setting it up in your living room for guests, taking it on a camping trip, or using it for yoga and relaxation, this mattress easily adapts to your lifestyle. And when you're done, you can simply fold it up and store it away in seconds, saving valuable space. Comfort is where this mattress truly stands out. The top layer of gel memory foam gently contours to your body, helping relieve pressure from your shoulders, hips, and back. Underneath, the high-density support foam keeps your spine properly aligned, so you can enjoy a deeper, more restful sleep without waking up sore. The breathable, skin-friendly cover keeps you cool and comfortable throughout the night, while also being fully removable and machine washable. That means you can easily maintain a clean and fresh sleeping surface without any extra effort. Portability is another big advantage. Built-in handles make it easy for you to carry, while the non-slip bottom keeps it stable on different surfaces. It unfolds in seconds when you need it and folds compactly for storage under a bed, inside a closet, or even in your car. If you want a premium, comfortable, and versatile folding mattress that delivers both convenience and quality, this Housiney Tri-Fold Mattress might be your premium choice. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product name is the Sweetnight 4-inch Folding Mattress. The Sweetnight 4-inch Folding Mattress is one of the best portable folding mattresses that can relieve pressure. It's a perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and versatility for everyday use or travel. It's an excellent option if you need a compact sleeping solution that's easy to store, carry, and set up whenever you need it. With its smart tri-fold design, you can quickly unfold it into a comfortable single-size bed or fold it down for easy storage. Whether you're using it for camping, guests, RV trips, or even as a floor bed, this mattress adapts perfectly to your lifestyle. The breathable, eco-friendly fabric feels soft on your skin while promoting better airflow, helping you stay cool and comfortable throughout the night. Even with its lightweight and portable design, this mattress delivers impressive comfort. It features high polymer foam technology that adjusts to your body shape, helping reduce pressure and relieve fatigue. The dual-layer foam system combines a soft top layer with a supportive base, giving you the right balance of cushioning and stability for a restful sleep. Durability is another strong point. The stain-resistant, breathable cover is built to last and comes with a convenient zipper, so you can easily remove and clean it. Moreover, the non-slip bottom keeps the mattress securely in place while you sleep. Carrying handles make it even easier to move around wherever you go. If you want a compact, reliable, and comfortable sleeping solution that doesn't compromise on quality, the Sweetnight Folding Mattress is a smart choice. That's all for our list of the top 5 best folding mattresses on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.